All right, guys, we have a Nissan Murano 2006, and we're gonna change these plate bulbs. They're not working. I got the lights on, so to change these plates bulbs, you're gonna have to get it inside the trunk. We're gonna remove this cover here, and that's gonna give us access to reach into the bulbs. So if you have a Nissan Murano 4, 5, 6 or above, you're gonna follow the same procedure to remove these bulbs, to change these bulbs. So to get these clips out, what you do is you push them in, all of these, and these clips should come out. You should be able to take these out, use a flathead or a pick. And once you have that, we're gonna pop this open. Let's see what's back there. There might be a screw or something back there. There's nothing back there, and you can't reach. So, and next what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this cover down. This is the first time we're doing it. So all you do is yank this down, and this cover has like a lot of retainers in the back. It's kind of tough, but it'll come out. So these white clips right here, this one came off. It's supposed to stay like the other one is. So we'll take this off and put it in here wherever it came off from. Disconnect the little lights from the trunk. Put this to the side, and this is where you're getting into, you know. This is the little bulb that's blown. Alright, I made a mistake. This is the reverse bulb, so you're not going into this. If you're far away, I guess.
Yeah, here.
Let me get this back in there. I'm gonna get that. So this, you're popping it from. Let me. So right into that little hole is where you gotta reach into it. This one comes out from here. Can you show this one? This one comes out from right there. So you twist it off, and then he had customer brung bulbs. I'm gonna show the bulb. So these are the bulb. The number is 186. He bought 2 of them. These are good bulb, Philip, good brand. And this is what came out. So to change these bulbs, all you do is pop them out, and then you stick them in there for the new one. See, there you go. One came on. And the light should be on in the plate. One of the lights. Working. This one's a little tough to get in there. You got to put your hand in there, get your fingers in there, twist it on. And now we're gonna put the cover back on the. Make sure you put both connectors in there for the trunk lights. One on that side, one over here. This one that's hanging. I'm gonna grab it from here so you can see better. And then we're gonna put this cover back together.
No, the corner. They go through the hole. Make sure they go through the hole. The corner.
This hole.
Yeah.
So this thing goes in there. Now you just gotta try to get all the clips in there. And once you have the clips, you put these little clips in there, and that's it, you're done. That's how you change the plate legs on a Nissan Murano. Put the cover in, you put that little handle there, and these clips go in, and that's it, you're done.